Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, cause I'm back in the kitchen. You guys, I got a new seasoning. Now I have been seeing it going around, so I picked it up. We got some chicken breasts. Come on in the kitchen. Hi fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, cause I was in the mood for some chicken breast. I want one of them good old southern style chicken sandwiches that my mom used to make. So I'm gonna start off with, I got a twin egg, but I only cracked one egg. That's crazy. Now, is that good luck or what? If you're viewing me for the first time, thank you so much and answer that question for me. And if you're a rider, I need you to answer that question for me. Now, I've been cracking eggs lately and I've been getting two of them. Now, what's wrong with the chickens? Okay? What's wrong with the chickens? Somebody needs to talk to me. Let me know. Okay? So, we're going to put us two eggs in here, right? And we got us some black pepper because we're going to season this up. Now, we're going to put our seasoning on here. Now, I know that's a lot of black pepper. And I know a lot of y'all saying, well, what is she cooking? I'm cooking old school chicken breast sandwiches. That's what the fam's going to have today. And so we got us some onion powder. That was some onion powder, right? And so we got us some paprika. Whatever. Okay, but anywho. We're going to put that on in here, right? Because we're going to sit this. Today, I'm going to use a little salt. Believe it or not, I've been had this salt for the longest. My sis brought it over here over the winter. Baby, Miss Jones don't use too much salt. But this is an old school recipe, right? My mom used to make this. So I'm deciding to share it with you if I don't mess it up. Now, you guys, I checked the seasoning out, right? And when I tell you, it has an orange flavor. It does have an orange flavor. But, you know, I tried it. And I tried it on something. It might have been some chicken or something, right? Off camera. And what I got from it was seafood, right? That's crazy. I know. So, I'm going to put me a little cornstarch in here. A little cornstarch. 1/4 cup. Or whatever you want to call it. You know, I'm not good with these measurements, y'all. Okay? I'm from the old school. I love my soul food. I love my soul food cooking. And I just love the recipes. Okay? Now, we're going to put us a little flour in here, right? Now, where is this going, Miss Jones? Because we're going to put this in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for a minute, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the skillet and we're going to fry it, right? Now, that's just enough. Just so that I can coat it, right? So, we're going to go ahead and mix this on up. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Get your hands in there. Get a little dirty. It's okay if you mess up. It's okay. Because, baby, that's what Southern cooking is all about. Is get in there and give it your best shot. Y'all, my bowl keep moving. I know I need a towel up on it. But, hey, bear with me. Bear with me, okay? If the bowl slides your way, catch it. That's all I can tell you. Because Miss T, the kid is home from school. But we're going to go ahead and put this on in the refrigerator. Wait a minute, y'all. So, yeah, we done mixed it up. You guys check it out. Now, this is what you were looking for. More like a paste, right? And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to put it in the refrigerator for approximately, I do maybe 20 minutes to an hour. But let me go and put some more seasoning on here. Because I really want to. We're going to put us a seasoning on here. Because this is the main focus. is I gotta see how this seasoning gonna work out on this chicken. I gotta see how this seasoning is gonna work out on the chicken, y'all. Now, if you see that seasoning in your neighborhood, try this recipe, y'all. Let's see how is it gonna turn out. And don't forget to share my videos, y'all. I work hard over here. I works hard, okay? And if you're not part of the family, what are you waiting on? Okay, you see good content when you see it. Yeah, I see it, okay? But anywho, let's go ahead and get ready to fry this chicken. Okay, so we have our flour mixture. We got some black pepper. Do you guys see it? Black pepper. Creole, right? We got some Creole flavor going on. And we're using a paprika. We're using the orange pepper. And we're using the onion powder. Right? Now, you could use garlic powder if that's what you would like. But, today I'm not in the mood. So I'm just going to mix that on up to give my flour a season. Right? Because I want this to be delicious. Now, I don't know about any sauce. Because the kids like Miracle Whip and mayonnaise, sandwich bread. Me, myself, I prefer not any sauce at all. So, you won't be seeing any sauce. But I definitely will give you a good recipe for some fried chicken, chicken breast, whatever, a chicken recipe, period. Okay, guys. Bam, we have our oil ready. And we're just going to go ahead and fry some chicken breast. Now, I took a couple of pieces out because my limited workspace, okay, just took a couple of pieces out. And I'm just going to go ahead and coat it up and put it in here. I think I'm going to do 2 pieces at a time. Because of how big my breast is. So we're going to let that fry. YouTube fam, I got carried away frying this chicken. You guys, you got to check it out. But if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for checking me out. Look at this golden chicken, guys. Check it out. When I tell you crispy, it has the perfect texture. I can already see it. The crunch is in there. You guys, we're down to the last of this chicken cooking. I cannot wait to show you the outcome. So if you're a first time viewer, thank you. And if you're a return viewer, thank you again. And if you're not part of the fam, hit that subscribe button. Come on in and join your girl. I have a goal. Okay, so I just want to address this. Now, you know, a lot of us fry chicken, right? And we might get this residue. You see it? You might get that residue. All you have to do is just shake your chicken to get that residue off, okay? Now, that's the cooking tip, okay? Just shake that chicken to get that residue off. Just like that. See how I got it off there? And keep on frying. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Check it out. Look at that. Uh-oh. Be extra careful now. You don't want to start no fire. But I always keep me a clean towel. Because you never know. So yeah, I just want to make sure that chicken is off. The residue is off the chicken. You guys check out other videos. It might be a video that you might enjoy. And yes, don't forget my dressing and macaroni and cheese. Put it on your Thanksgiving table and tell me how you like it. Because I like to cook affordable and budget meals around here. especially with the economy being the way it is. So share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel, and we will definitely check you out. All you gotta do is leave a comment, because I like to talk, okay? I like to chit chat. I like to know my audience. So let's go ahead, finish this out, and we'll be back. So fam, there we have it. We have some delicious southern fried chicken breast ready for a sandwich, because we got our honey wheat bread right here. Baby, we got the honey wheat bread, okay? Now, that is my favorite bread. I love to have that. Now, this is something new to me, the sandwich topper. I figure I'll try it. Now, like I say, my kids, they love the Miracle Whip. They love the sandwich bread and everything, but mama don't eat that. But I am going to try me some roasted garlic parmesan on my chicken sandwich. Just something different, right? So if you like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, come support the channel. Hit the notification bell so that you can get all my current uploads. Until then, I'm going to send much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.